IELTS Speaking Part 2. Describe a place. Describe a restaurant or cafe. Describe a restaurant that you have visited. You should say, where the restaurant is located, what type of restaurant it is, what you liked about this place. Would you recommend this place to others? Sample answer, band 6.5. I'd like to talk about a lovely buffet restaurant called Saison, which is located right in the town center, about half an hour from my hometown. I've been there a few times, and the most memorable visit was for my friend's birthday. This restaurant serves a wide variety of dishes, from fresh seafood to different kinds of meats and fresh vegetables, so it really suits everyone's tastes. The food was appetizing and mouth-watering when we took our first bite. What I really liked about this restaurant is how attentive and efficient the staff were. They made sure we had everything we needed and quickly cleared our table after each dish, which was really convenient. Besides the food, I enjoyed the bustling atmosphere of the place. It was lively and perfect for a celebration. Overall, I definitely recommend this restaurant to others because it offers good food, reasonable prices, and a great experience for a fun gathering. Place 2. A shop. Describe a shop that you like. You should say where the shop is, what type of shop it is, how often you visit this shop, what you like about this shop. I'd like to talk about a small bookshop that I really enjoy visiting. It's located in the center of my hometown. The shop is not very big, but it has a cozy atmosphere that makes me feel comfortable every time I go there. This is a bookshop that sells a variety of books, including novels, short stories, and study materials for exams like IELTS. They also have some stationery items such as pens, notebooks, and bookmarks, which makes it quite convenient for students. I usually visit this shop about twice a month, especially when I want to buy new books to read in my free time or when I need reference materials for my studying. Sometimes I just drop by to look around and enjoy the peaceful environment. What I like most about this shop is how accommodating the staff are. They're always willing to recommend good books and even order special ones for me if they are not available. Another thing I really appreciate is that the prices are reasonable compared to other bookstores in the city. Overall, this shop is not just a place to buy books, but also a place where I can relax, discover new stories, and recharge my energy. That's why it's one of my favorite shops.